Okay, we've let our head neck pieces dry overnight. So now we're going to take our belt sander and we're going to round it all down. So we're going to use our belt sander. We're going to round this all down. But we want to find our center on here. We want to mark our center so we don't lose our center spot. So we've marked our center, so we don't lose that. We're going to do this in here. So when we sand it down, and then we'll take this small ring that I've got, and this is where I want to go with it. So we've marked our center so we don't lose that. Then now we're going to sand this all down to this point with our belt sander. Then I'm going to take my palm sander and I'm going to give the whole head a nice going over, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.